to show you how to access a Jupyter notebook on SageMaker. We are going to access Jupyter notebook within the instances in SageMaker console. We will also open an existing notebook instance. A SageMaker notebook instance is a machine learning compute instance that is running the Jupyter notebook application. SageMaker manages creating the instance and related resources. We are going to use Jupyter notebook in our notebook instance to prepare and process data, write the code and train ML models, deploy models to SageMaker hosting, and test or validate our ML models. So let's go to the console now. We are in AWS console. We are going to go to Amazon SageMaker. If you don't see it here, you can search on the services. Now let's go search for notebooks. Here it is, notebook instances. This is the one that we have. Click on Open Jupyter. Here we can create a new. Let's select on the Python 3. Let's rename that my notebook and write the function. Let's go to a new cell. This is a new cell. And run that. Let's type import time sleep and run that. You can see this is still running. I am now going to add a basic algorithm and try to run that. Let's open another cell and go to code markdown. I'm going to mark down this one. Technical report. Here is my technical report. Okay, let's run this one. Let's change this cell to markdown as well and see the headers, header 1. Header 2. Let's type 3. And this is how we write down the headers. Let's run that. Let's create a list now. Again, a markdown, list, task, list, task 2, list, task 3. This is how we create the lists. Now we are going to create a block, again in markdown. Let's run that. Okay, so let's take, this is the listing function. We are going to see if there is any files, which we don't have any. This cannot access directory. Bash. Show direct, now list, and show the date. We are in the home user SageMaker directory. If you want to use shortcuts, we can see keyboard shortcuts from here if you are going to use it often. If you want to clear the output, let's go to cell and all output clear. Okay, output is cleared, so we can see the codes. We can restart and run the kernel again. Restart and run all. These are running right now. This finished. Still running. Okay, this one all completed. Now if you want to download this file as HTML, we can go to File, Download as HTML. There are different options as well, and we can save the file as HTML. My notebook. We can also download it as Python Jupyter notebook as well, which will be most useful. This one is the notebook, Jupyter notebook. And once we download it, we can open in different eras and use it again. This was all for running a Jupyter notebook instance inside SageMaker. I will see you in my next video. Bye!